Assalamualaikum everyone. Today in this video, when we are going to learn how to start our conversation and how to make a conversation between two people. Now you can see this is my student Rakibul Hasan. We start our conversation. So may I know your name?
This is Rakibul Hasan.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Fluently.
Okay. Where do you study?
I study as BSS honors in my department political science at Protocol Government College.
Oh, sounds good. So how many members do you have in your family?
There are 5 members. There are my father, my mother, my elder brother, my elder sister, and me.
Oh, very good. Sounds good. By the way, where do you learn English?
I learn English with Alif English Academy.
Okay. Do you learn English?
I learn English.
In this part, I would like to know about your future plan.
In my future plan, I want to be a BCS writer and I would like to get a good job or successful businessman and social worker.
That's very good. What kind of music do you like?
Yeah, I like classical music.
How do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to play cricket, watching movie, newspaper, reading book, and I would like to travel with my friend.
Okay, that means do you love travel?
Yeah, I love travel.
Where do you want to go? How is your father?
Oh, my father is very well.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
Nice to meet you. I'm glad to know about you.
Oh, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.